A lot's happening at Birdon right now. We've got several projects on the horizon.
Previously, Birdon had used generic CAD solutions that aren't tailored for the shipbuilding industry. Birdon partnered with SSI because all our tools have that shipbuilding DNA. We're able to quickly capture their build methodology, their unique processes and their deliverable requirements and tailor the software to suit their workflows.
So within the defence and security space in Australia, we're working on several defence programs, shipbuilding programs. Within the resources and environment sector, we've got some really exciting opportunities in the decommissioning space. And in the US, we're working on a couple of really exciting programs with the US Marine Corps. We're also building some waterway commerce cutters for the US Coast Guard in our shipyard in Alabama.
Globally distributed teams is a shipbuilding reality, and the SSI solution caters for that, where we can share information between different sites, all while respecting security and IP restrictions between the different regions.
Birdon is predominantly in Australia and the US, but delivering programs globally. Both our US operations are working with ShipConstructor and our Australian operations are working with ShipConstructor. So there's a common language between both teams, and which enables us to work around the clock 24 hours a day, passing projects back and forth in the same model with the same level of support from SSI.
Every day or every week or so, I'm using the whole module in ShipConstructor and doing plate expansions. And it's added a lot of productivity to releasing cut parts to production. So automatically putting scribe lines in and frame lines and all that kind of stuff that we were doing manually. So the automations and all those steps are saving time and just taking away that human error from processes where we were wasting steel and losing time.
So one of the advantages of working with SSI and ShipConstructor is that they know ships. It's in the name, ShipConstructor. So they speak the same language as we do, and our engineers and drafts people, and they're on site, they're regularly visiting, checking up, making sure that our team is okay, giving us hints and tips as needed, and they're always available so we can give them a call and say, hey, I'm stuck on this. Can you guys help? And they're happy to lean in and support that. It's a growing partnership. They know if our team is integrated with them and they're integrated with us, it'll continue to grow and flourish as a team. Our digital roadmap is really trying to combine many of our facilities and programs and engineering talent into one cohesive group so we can work on projects globally and keep a 24-hour clock going.
We're able to export information from here to the guys in WA who are holding the model of truth. The next day, all of that information is in the model and we're able to work with it directly. That's what we want to see and SSI is just supporting that process, yeah.
We see ourselves as a team player with Birdon. We don't necessarily see ourselves as a traditional supplier, so we like to wear a Birdon hat, if you like, and understand what it is that Birdon's trying to do, how they're trying to use the tool sets that we provide, what it is they're doing in production, and make sure that their workflows are as good as they can be.
I know that our team in the United States has done a lot of work in the bill of materials, and I think that would be the next step for us here, is to really leverage its ability to manage the BOM. The other thing is to increase our use of the model itself, getting a workflow so that production can reference the 3D model directly and not always requiring a 2D output.
One of the exciting things that's taking place in the US right now with Birdon US is they're currently looking at and working with enterprise platform. That's where you take the engineering that is done by the engineering and design team and feed that information to all downstream departments and activities. And there's a real opportunity for them to leverage that information to support downstream activities such as planning, procurement, and to really harness that information to make really good decisions.
Yeah, we found in the work we do here at Birdon, ShipConstructor is a tool that's fit for purpose.
To learn more about Birdon and SSI solutions, visit the link in the description.